Today, we're making buffalo chicken tenders. This meal is perfect for lunch or just a snack. It's extra crispy and packs a strong buffalo flavor. So, let's get cooking. In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, mix together 3/4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoons of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. Give this a good toss. In a separate bowl, scramble 3 eggs and then add 1½ teaspoons of water and 1½ teaspoons of hot sauce. I'm using Frank's RedHot original sauce, which gives this iconic buffalo taste. Mix this all together. We're now ready to batter and air fry our chicken tenders. For this recipe, we're using 2 pounds of chicken tenders. 1 tender at a time, coat the chicken into the dry flour mixture. Then transfer this to the egg wash. And then transfer back to the dry mixture. This process is what creates that crispy buffalo flavor we love. We'll then transfer the tender to the air fryer and spray generously with oil. We'll let this cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then flip and let cook for another 10 minutes. In total, 20 minutes. After these 20 minutes, we can take a cup of raised buffalo sauce and using a brush, carefully cover all of the chicken tenders. We'll then let this cook for another 5 minutes, ensuring we cover both sides. We'll repeat this process for the remaining chicken. While we're waiting for each batch, we can cut and peel some russet potatoes and prepare them to be air fried. We'll add some dried parsley as well as some salt. Once all our chicken is done, we can air fry our potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Make sure to shake the basket every 5 minutes. We can now pack everything up. This recipe makes about 6 servings, and don't forget to put some buffalo sauce on the side. The potato wedges and tenders make for a delicious combo, and this is a super easy to make recipe. Once we're ready, we can pack everything up, and to reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. As you saw, this recipe is quick and easy to make in your air fryer at home. You can also use chicken thighs or breasts if you want to make chicken buffalo bites. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.